Welcome back. I hope there was a fair gap of 8 days and we are back with revision again. Economics revision, standard 12th, and the topic is types of price elasticity of demand. Introduced by Professor Alfred Marshall. Yes, Marshall Baba ki jai ho. Whenever microeconomics is there, always remember him, Professor Alfred Marshall. What is elasticity of demand? Elastic means what? Change. Elastic means change. So when price falls by 10 rupees, demand increases by 100 units. It means what? This is the law of demand. But in this topic, we are going to study what is the difference. Is that same? जितना price fall होता है, उतना ही demand increase होता है? No, it never happens. There is no proportion. So how many types of proportions are there? There are 5 types. Before that, what's the definition of price elasticity of demand? Percentage change in quantity demanded to percentage change in price is called price elasticity of demand. Let me clear one thing. Don't say only demand. It is always quantity demanded. Okay, it is always quantity demanded. So the length of answer also increases because we have to express 5 types in this. 1. Perfectly elastic demand. 2. Perfectly inelastic demand. 3. Unitary elastic demand. 4. Relatively elastic demand. And last type, relatively inelastic demand. So like this we have to study 5 types. So this is like hum panch. Hum panch, these 5 types are hum panch. And there is one short form for this, and the short form is RUP. R-U-P. 2 points on R, 1 point on U, and 2 points on P. R-R-U-P-P. Short form. Easy to understand, easy to remember. And don't forget hum panch. Okay? Let us begin with type number 1. What is the first type? Perfectly elastic demand. Well, whenever there is perfectly elastic demand, the answer is always big 0. Answer is big 0. And what is the shape of the curve? Like this. Horizontal straight line. The shape of the curve is horizontal straight line. Okay? Now what is the meaning of this? If there is a slight change in the price or even no change in the price, results into infinite change in demand. So the curve is horizontal. Fine. Let me give you one example. Suppose the demand falls by 5%. Price falls by 5%. But demand increases infinitely. This is called as this concept, perfectly elastic demand. And the answer is big 0. And the shape of the curve is horizontal. Okay? Now, second type, perfectly inelastic demand. Shape of the curve is straight line, vertical straight line, which is parallel to your y-axis. What is the meaning of this? If there is a fall in the price, there is no change in the demand. this practically exists. Let me give you one example. Salt. If the price of salt falls, will you use more salt? Will you demand more salt? पूरी सब्जी कैसे हो जाएगी? Salty हो जाएगी. So the price of salt will not affect the demand for salt, right? It means what? There is no change in the demand. This is called perfectly inelastic demand, and the shape of the curve is this, vertical, and the answer is infinite. So this is the symbol of infinite, 2 zeros ऐसे, infinite. Just remember like this, binoculars. Okay, now third type is unitary elastic demand. Unit means one. Now how is the shape of the curve? It looks like this, which is called rectangular hyperbola. Interesting name, na? It is called rectangular hyperbola. If you observe the diagram, this distance and this distance is same. Means what? Suppose there is fall in the price by 5%, then there is a rise in the demand by 5%. Yes, it is. 5% fall in price, 5% rise in demand. This concept is called unitary elastic demand. मतलब जितने परसेंटेज में प्राइस फॉल होती है उतना परसेंटेज ही इंक्रीज होता है. Now practically it exists? No. This is just a theoretical concept. It never happens कि exactly जितना fall हो उतना ही demand increase होगा. Never. Mostly it never happens. So far we have studied three types. Perfectly elastic demand, perfectly inelastic demand, unitary elastic demand. Now switching over to next type is relatively elastic demand. Relatively elastic demand, and the answer is more than one. Remember, answer is more than one. And what is the shape of the curve? Like this. It is a flatter curve. Comparatively, it is a flatter curve. Okay. Now, what is that? If price falls by 5%, demand increase by 10%. Yes. Price fall by 5%, demand increase by 10%. This is called as relatively elastic demand, and the answer is more than one. And the shape is flatter shape. While drawing, just remember one thing. Show y-axis less in length and x-axis more. This distance should be less and this distance should be more. Okay? And last type, relatively inelastic demand. Inelastic बोले तो answer is always less than 1. Answer is less than 1 and the curve is steeper curve. Answer is less than 1. Means what? Suppose fall in the price by 10%, rise in the demand by 5%. 10%, 5%. It's not equal. Demand rise तो हुई है लेकिन less proportionate. Less than proportionate is the word, proper word to be used. Less than proportionate. Okay. So this is called as relatively inelastic demand. So far we have studied all the 5 types. Let us revise all 5 types along with their answers. First type, answer was 0. Second type, answer was infinity. Third type, answer was 1, unitary, 1. Fourth type, answer is more than 1. And fifth type, answer is less than 1. Okay, all the diagrams will look like this. Look at the shape of the curve. Horizontal, vertical, slanting, unitary ka. Then flatter, slightly, and steeper. Okay, let us do it again. Do with me so that you can remember everything. Right? Horizontal, vertical, unitary. Yes, this like this, flatter and steeper. Over. 8 marks question is over. Remember everything by diagram. Okay, there is no doubt, I think. And just check your description box for the notes. I've written in simple way. For any doubt, you can WhatsApp me. Ask any doubt, whatever you want. Like me, subscribe me, share me. See you next video. Mask up.